I have a child. I support a child when she was 4 years. Actually, in high school, it really hard to me spend $35 a month because it was still big money because I'm international student, so there is no way to work here. So just saving the Starbucks coffee and saving like the beautiful tiny like earring or necklace, you can give some good one to them. I got just one child, 2 is heavy for me. That was the documentary project I did when I got photo class. But I really love how they feel or like how they show their facial expression, because they really hated that I shoot them.